Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Practice AI account. So first we're going to log on to the website. It's going to be app.lawpractice. Okay, and then you're going to click on the sign up button over here. Then we're going to enter our first name, enter your email address, and phone number. Then we're going to create a password. Okay, click this little check mark box over here. And we're going to sign up. Now we just put in our organization name. So then we put the address. Okay, then here you input your practice area. So let's put personal injury. You can put multiple if you like. We're just going to go with that. And it's as simple as that. Took less than 5 minutes, and then you're all ready to get started. And by the way, if you wanted to set up your organization and be able to add members, I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's very simple. We go over to the left and click organization, and you would just click here, add member, put their email address, and you actually are going to be able to give them certain accesses by clicking on what they're going to be able to have access to. So the good part is you're able to add as many users as you like per organization. There's no limit, and you can happily control what kind of access each member has. And if you were wondering, there are no extra fees to add new users. It's all included. You can add as many as you like.